Fortunately, no big issues as you get out the door right now, but as we go through, really Wednesday, I think is going to be our main rain day, but rain chances are going to start to tick up soon. Let's start with getting out the door this morning. It's cool in the 50s and 60s. We've had a little bit of light rain, so you may notice some water on your car and water on the roads. It hadn't been anything that's heavy, but there is some light showers out there, and you can see that on radar. The very, very kind of faint colors of blue and green, that's some light rain, light drizzle coming in from the east here. A closer look in the metro, you can see some patchy areas of light showers streaming up over the city. Once again, none of it's heavy, but it could be enough that you maybe need an umbrella if you don't want to mess up your hair this morning. All right, here's what we're going to be watching. Storm system diving out of the plains. You can see some of those showers and storms in West Texas down through San Angelo and Lubbock. The Gulf is quiet at the moment, but that's going to be changing over the next 12 to 24 hours. The disturbance is going to roll through the region. Showers and storms start to increase across the Gulf. We will have surface low pressure develop in the Gulf, and then eventually that heads our way. And I think Wednesday is our main day for some showers and a few thunderstorms. However, tomorrow and Thursday do have a chance for rainfall across the area. So let's walk you through it all. This is this morning. Some of those light showers streaming in from the east, not a big deal. As we get into tomorrow, notice winds start to pick up out of the east. Low pressure developing down in the Gulf. We will have some scattered showers and storms mainly near our coast for your Tuesday. So here in the city and North Shore may miss most of the heaviest rain for tomorrow. Now Wednesday, that will change. Notice Wednesday morning we got showers and storms coming in. Wednesday through the day we've got some rain coming in rounds, and at times it could be on the heavy side, so we will be keeping an eye on that. Winds still continuing out of the east, and it's not until Thursday that low pressure finally gets movement and pulls out of the area. Still could have some rain around the area on Thursday though, as that low is in nearby. So we'll be watching that for 3 days. Now, it looks like the highest totals are probably going to be near the coast and in the Gulf. That's where we could see the 5 to maybe even 7 inches of rain. Now, inland, your rain totals begin to drop off, especially the further north you get up towards Baton Rouge and into central Louisiana. Here, I'm thinking most people pick up anywhere between 2 to 4 inches, but it would not be surprising if there was some isolated higher totals. So that's what we're watching with the rain. Not a huge flooding threat, but definitely some heavy rain at times, mainly Wednesday. Coastal flooding, this is something else we'll be keeping an eye on. Tides are going to be running 1 to 3 feet above normal, especially for east-facing shorelines. Remember, when you have a persistent east wind funneling into these areas, your tides are going to go up. High tide most days are going to be anywhere from 11 a.m. to 2 to 3 p.m. That's when the tides will be at their highest, and those low-lying roads in our coastal areas will likely go under. So nothing too wild there out of the norm when we have a strong wind, but that could impact some of your drive around those lower areas. Showers are the main thing we're watching for on Wednesday, 2 to 4 inches for most, higher tides 1 to 3 feet, and breezy winds. At times we could see some gusts top 30 to 40 miles per hour or so. So overall, low pressure developing. Yes, we're going to have some rain. It's going to be breezy. Our tires are going to be running higher than normal. That lasts through Thursday, but Friday's looking great, 80 degrees. But look at this weekend. Going to have to watch a chance for some storms Saturday and Sunday. All right, let's check in with Joshua. He is in for April for the next couple.